Want to wake up every morning to peaceful golf course views and the beauty of Lake Nona? This amazing and spacious 4-bedroom, 3.5-bath townhome in the gated Eagle Creek Golf community makes that dream a reality. Step inside and discover over 2,000 square feet of modern comfort and effortless style. Tile flooring flows throughout the open concept living areas, where natural light fills the space and sliding doors frame a gorgeous golf course backdrop. The kitchen is a showstopper. Stainless steel appliances, a large island with bar seating, upgraded lighting, and a clean neutral design perfect for cooking, entertaining, or simply enjoying the view. The main floor primary suite is your private retreat, featuring dual closets including a walk-in and a spacious ensuite bath with double vanities and a step-in shower. Upstairs you find a loft which adds extra flexibility for a home office, gym, or cozy reading spot. 3 additional bedrooms provide plenty of comfort, and one even opens to a private balcony, the perfect place to unwind. Outside, your private patio invites you to relax and take in the golf course scenery, while Eagle Creek's resort-style amenities, pools, clubhouse, fitness center, and tennis courts elevate everyday living. If you've been dreaming of the Lake Nona lifestyle, this home delivers it all. Contact me today for your private tour.